The Texas Supreme Court has cleared the way for Robert Roberson to be executed. Good evening, I'm Steve Eager.
I'm Heather Hayes. Roberson's execution was held up originally because a House committee wanted him to testify. Some lawmakers think he may be innocent. Fox 4's Stephen Dial live with what's next.
The Anderson County District Attorney, where that case originated, will have to now file a new petition for execution. And while the state Supreme Court told lawmakers they can't block the execution, they said they are within their right to still get testimony from Roberson.
Robert Roberson was scheduled to be executed October 17th for the murder of his 2-year-old daughter, but the execution was blocked when a state House committee issued a last-minute order for him to testify at a hearing about his case. Friday, the Texas Supreme Court told state lawmakers they cannot use the power of a subpoena to delay an execution.
But the court said, look, we got 3 branches of government, and they all have something to say here. Right? The legislature has an interest in these committees in researching laws. The executive has the pardon power. The judiciary takes care of having the trial and the post-conviction proceedings. But at some point when they come together, you just have to balance them.
The court acknowledged lawmakers have the power to call witnesses to testify, but said legislative investigatory power, even at its maximum, is insufficient to forestall a long-scheduled execution under the circumstances presented here. Constitutional lawyer David Cole said the court basically told lawmakers they tried to step in too late.
This court opinion says it's the last minute and then some. We're done. And you have an interest in revising the laws of Texas, but not one that warrants slowing this up any further.
Lawmakers on the bipartisan committee believed Roberson may be innocent. They called expert witnesses and the lead detective on the case to testify in support of that belief. But other relatives of the victim, 2-year-old Nikki Curtis, criticized the committee, and neither the governor nor courts intervened on his behalf. The Anderson County DA would have to now get a new death warrant, and execution would happen no earlier than 90 days after that date. Friday's court ruling said lawmakers can still compel Roberson to testify as long as it does not inevitably block a scheduled execution. Democrat State Representative Joe Moody from El Paso and Republican State Representative Jeff Leach from Plano issued a statement saying, in part, the Supreme Court strongly reinforced our belief that our committee can indeed obtain Mr. Roberson's testimony and made it clear that it expects the executive branch of government to accommodate us in doing so. That has been our position all along, and we look forward to working with the executive branch to do just that.
Now, an execution would happen no earlier than 90 days after that execution warrant is obtained. Now, David Cole told me that the attorneys for Roberson could try one last Hail Mary, but he thinks it's unlikely that's going to the Criminal Court of Appeals with their new justices that will be sworn in January.